Welcome to China's largest coconut processing factory, turning millions of coconuts into the milk you drink every day. Every single day, hundreds of truckloads of fresh coconuts arrive from across Southeast Asia. The journey from hard shell to creamy milk begins the moment these coconuts hit the factory floor. Millions of coconuts are stored here, ready to be processed within 24 hours of arrival. First stop, the sorting line, where size and quality are checked automatically. High-tech optical scanners reject any coconuts that don't meet strict quality standards. Human inspectors double-check every batch. Quality is everything at this scale. In 1 hour alone, this factory processes over 10,000 coconuts. The first major step, husking. Industrial machines rip off the tough outer green layer in seconds. What's left is the familiar brown coconut, but the hard work is just beginning. Every coconut is power washed to remove dirt and bacteria before cracking. Rotating scrubbers ensure every surface is perfectly clean. Now the most dramatic step, the cracking machines. These machines split thousands of coconuts per hour. Watch the shell split perfectly in half. Every time, without fail. Two perfect halves, full of white coconut meat and fresh coconut water. The coconut water is captured separately. Nothing is wasted in this factory. Operators monitor the water quality in real time using digital sensors. Samples are taken every 30 minutes and tested in the on-site laboratory. The shells move to the extraction line, machines designed to scoop out every bit of white meat. Rotating blades follow the curve of the shell perfectly, removing the meat in one clean motion. Fresh coconut meat, the raw ingredient for millions of cartons of coconut milk. Workers remove any shell fragments or discolored pieces before processing continues. The white meat enters giant grinders, shredded into a fine coconut paste. This thick paste is the base of all coconut milk products. Purified water is added to the coconut paste in precise ratios, controlled by computer. Every batch formula is programmed digitally, ensuring consistent taste in every carton. High-pressure presses squeeze every drop of coconut milk from the paste. Pure white coconut milk flows into massive holding tanks. Centrifuges then spin the milk at high speed, separating thick cream from thin milk. The result, rich coconut cream and lighter coconut milk, two different products from one coconut. Both products pass through multi-stage filtration to remove any solid particles. Next, pasteurization. The milk is heated to eliminate bacteria while preserving natural flavor. Temperature is monitored to the decimal point. Precision is critical. After pasteurization, lab tests confirm the product is safe and ready for the next stage. Homogenization ensures the cream doesn't separate, giving you that smooth, uniform texture. The fat and water are forced together under pressure, creating a perfectly smooth product. At this stage, stabilizers and natural flavors are added, carefully measured by food scientists. The final formula is tasted and tested before a single drop is packaged. Approved batches move to massive holding tanks, thousands of liters waiting to be packaged. The packaging line runs 24 hours a day. Tetra Pak cartons are formed from flat rolls of material. At 15,000 cartons per hour, the filling machines work at incredible speed. Each carton is filled and hermetically sealed in under 1 second. Every carton is stamped with batch number, production date, and expiry for full traceability. Camera systems reject any carton with a faulty seal or misprint. Defective cartons are automatically removed. Only perfect products continue. Good cartons are bundled together and shrink-wrapped for shipping. Robotic arms stack the bundles onto pallets with perfect precision. No human hands needed. Stretch-wrap machines seal each pallet, ready for the warehouse. Forklifts move finished product to temperature-controlled storage zones. The warehouse holds over 2 million cartons at any given time. Every pallet is tracked digitally. Barcode scanners update the system in real time. Nothing is wasted. Coconut fiber from the husks is processed separately into commercial products. The hard shells are turned into activated charcoal, sold to water filter manufacturers. Even the leftover pulp becomes animal feed, a zero-waste operation. All wastewater is treated on-site before being released. Strict environmental standards. This factory runs partly on solar power, one of China's greenest food facilities. The factory's R&D lab is constantly developing new products, from coconut yogurt to cooking oil. From one coconut, over 30 different products are made at this single factory. Millions of cartons are exported every month to over 50 countries. From Hainan, China, to supermarket shelves around the world. Over 3,000 workers keep this factory running around the clock, 365 days a year. The factory manager explains how this all started from a small local operation 30 years ago. What began as a 10-person workshop is now the largest coconut processor in Asia. The technology has changed completely, but the coconuts are still sourced from the same local farms. Local Hainan farmers supply a significant portion of the coconuts, supporting thousands of families. These palms take 5 years to produce fruit, but once they start, they produce for 80 years. Harvesters climb 20-meter trees to hand-pick coconuts, or use specialized harvesting poles. Each coconut takes 12 months to fully mature. Nature's timeline can't be rushed. The carton in your hand traveled thousands of miles, starting as a coconut on a Hainan palm. Even at 2 a.m., the machines never stop, and neither do the workers. Every single batch is tasted before shipping. If it doesn't taste right, it doesn't leave. 10,000 tons of coconuts processed every single day. This is industrial food production at its peak. One coconut, one carton, one journey, repeated 10 million times a day. Next time you open a carton of coconut milk, you'll know exactly where it came from. From the farms of Hainan to kitchens around the world. This is the story of your coconut milk.